Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious Alfredo pasta from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of fettuccine pasta, 1 stick of unsalted butter, and 1½ cups of rich heavy cream. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic, about 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Using freshly grated Parmesan makes a huge difference for a smooth, creamy sauce. Now let's get cooking. Begin by boiling a large pot of salted water for your pasta. Add 1 pound of fettuccine and cook until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water before draining. Meanwhile, in a large skillet, melt about 7 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Then, sauté your 2 minced garlic cloves for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until they are fragrant. Next, let's create that luscious Alfredo sauce. Whisk 1½ cups of heavy cream into your butter and garlic mixture. Bring this to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally, for about 3 to 4 minutes until it starts to thicken slightly. Now, gradually whisk in 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until your sauce is wonderfully smooth and thick. Finish by seasoning with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your drained fettuccine directly into the creamy Alfredo sauce in the skillet. Toss the pasta thoroughly, ensuring every single strand is beautifully coated in that rich, velvety sauce. If your sauce seems a bit too thick, simply add a tablespoon of your reserved pasta water at a time until it reaches your desired consistency. Serve this delicious Alfredo pasta immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of extra Parmesan and fresh parsley. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.